So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can force quit your apps in MacBook. So guys, if you want to force quit an app without actually going into the app, all you need to do is just go ahead and find the app. I'm choosing WhatsApp, just double click it, and now you'll see the option that says quit. So guys, that's how you quit it from the outside. But if you want a more firm method, then you can just go ahead and tap these three buttons. Just go ahead and tap on Option, Command, and Escape, and you find this taskbar right here that says force quit applications. Just choose the one that you want to force quit, and now tap on force quit. There you go. That's how you force quit your apps in MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.